Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable prefer Adobe Camera Raw in Photoshop. So very basic and simple way. Firstly, move cursor to edit and click on it. Now here in this list you will see some options. Find out preferences, this one. So move cursor here, preferences, and then here is the option file handling. Open it or click on it. So to enable prefer Adobe Camera Raw for supported raw files, select this box. In case it's unselected, so select this one, then click on OK. So very simple and basic way to disable and turn off. Work cursor there, file handling, and unselect. Then click on OK. So thanks for watching, and please guys share, like, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.